Hello, my dear viewers. This is Lucas Copy Webinars YouTube channel. You are watching Forex Trading with Rakesh. Please let me know if the volume enough, if the sound is through, and the video is also through. Alright, guys. As I was mentioning that this is Lucas Copy Webinar YouTube channel, and you are watching the Forex Trading with Rakesh. Today is 4th of October 2020. The day is Wednesday. I am Lucas Copy's trading community member. Please do not confuse me as an employee of Lucas Copy Bank. I'm not an employee of Lucas Copy Bank. Therefore, all the views, opinions, or the trading ideas that I'm going to discuss in this webinar are of my own. They have nothing to do with the Lucas Copy Bank. In this program, we will be strictly discussing the price action and ignore the fundamentals around us because we know that every piece of information is already on the chart. So why to talk about anything else? So let's only focus on the charts. Before I start with the charts, let me introduce myself and well, I have already introduced myself. That is sufficient. Now we'll see how what we are going to do in the next 30 minutes or so. So guys, this webinar was primarily started with finding the trading setups which are very profitable trading setups in the major currency pairs. Then we started analyzing them for the USD JPY and GB JPY and Euro JPY. So you can say that yen crosses we started analyzing. Then we started doing it for bullions. Then we started doing it for Brent, and we included many other crosses also. So we have a lot of things to discuss here. But the house is always open for discussion. If you are finding any other currency pair or some instrument that you think that is worth discussing, or you have a setup already on that, you can tell me and we can discuss that also. In at the end of the session, I will be taking the questions from the viewer. So please ask your question in the chat box that is provided on the right side of the video. Lastly, whatever I say in this live stream is only for information and knowledge purpose. That is to give you a good understanding of how the key levels should be drawn and how you can use them in your trading. Please do not take my video or webinar as a trading advice. Do your own research before you put your money on the line. Without further ado, we'll quickly see this risk disclaimer and then we will right on hop on to the charts. All right, guys. So on your screen right now is the daily chart of the US dollar index. Can you see my chart? Let me know in the chat box. You can see this chart, please. Techno Invest is saying that yes, he can see the chart. So yes, this is the daily chart of the dollar index. Why we have pulled up this chart? Because this is very important. Where in the beginning we should be looking at only the dollar index. For any type of analysis, we should first know where is the dollar index pointing. So when we go into the past a bit, we see that earlier there was resistance here which has been overcome by the dollar already. The price is trading well above it. Now the next level for this is 107.12, and yesterday the price has day before yesterday the price has broken through this resistance of this candle, which was on 27th of September. It has made a high of 106.52, which has been taken out by this candle, and after that yesterday this level has acted as a good support. So if you switch to the 4 hour, you will see that that level has been taken down. This level has been taken down by this candle with huge volumes, but these volumes are lesser than these volumes, the volumes on this candle. That means these volumes are not sufficient to push the prices lower, so that's why it is trying to go up from here. You can say yes, the price on the 4 hour is trying to make somewhat like lower lows here, but the push to the downside is not much. So we are expecting the price to reach 107.12, but for that now it has to come through this 106.49, which has just been broken and now is acting as a resistance. So expect some challenges on the way, and this up move will be restricted by this falling channel. But as soon as the price goes out of this channel, the upside, the uptrend will be resumed, and that is expected at the test of this channel's support line, which I'm drawing right now on the 4 hour, something like that. So I'm expecting the price to come down to this, like, and then go beyond that. This is what the confluence of support is there, and I'm expecting this to act as a good support. So if you ask me technically what is the level that you should be concerned about, technically I will say go to the daily and look for the previous swing high and swing. Well, this 105.31 in my opinion is the key level for you to consider closing your positions the long. If it the price trades below this, consider that you should not be holding any long. So your stop loss right now should be below 105.31 in the long term. And if you really want to join this bandwagon, you can be looking for buying this market above 105.31. So you can be long in US dollar only and only above 105.31. If the price starts trading below this, then you should not hold your long position. On the upside, although we have I will say small resistance at 107.03, but 107.12 area is a crucial resistance which we have taken from the past. So this zone that has been created right now should be a good resistance zone in my opinion. So keep an eye on this zone. Talking about euro, the price has found the resistance at 1.0616. This is an upside level for us, and the price was just shy of this 1.0443, which was a very crucial level in the past. Okay, from here we have taken it, and this level is still respecting, although the price has not tested that level, but I think there must be a test of that level before the price goes up. Right now it looks like it is going up. It is trying to give us an indication that swing low has been formed, but you see guys, the swing low doesn't form like this. The swing low forms like this, but eventually the price has to move higher than this high. Okay, here in this case the price has made this thing okay, but has it moved higher than this one? This we will only know in the future, that is maybe tomorrow or maybe day after. Till the time this candle, tomorrow's candle, doesn't move higher than this today's candle, we cannot be sure of an up move. Okay, till now we are not sure of any up move, but yes, the swing low has formed. But for the price to for this area to come to be seen as a swing low, we need a break higher. But if you look at the 4 hour carefully, then you will see that that thing has already happened. See, the price makes a low, then a lower low, then a higher low, and then when the price breaks this high, then it is confirmed that swing low has been taken out, at least on the 4 hour. Now it is trying to do the same thing on the daily, but for that we need today's candle high to be broken tomorrow or maybe day after. I hope you get this idea. So now for us the resistance is 1.0616 on the daily, which is a swing high here, and now swing low will be this one once the price breaks this high. But still you can consider this as a low, so this becomes an important level. But I will say, rather than this being an important level, I will make a channel or a rectangle here, just like in the dollar index case. This should be your area of interest where you should be looking for buying this market in case you get an opportunity. Pound against the dollar is very weak. Yesterday it was very weak. Okay, and this 1.2101 was acting as a good resistance also, but today somehow it is able to manage some buying at the lower levels, but it is still inside that channel which we had drawn based on the 4 hour. Okay, from this it is looking like that 4 hour channel is taken out and the price has headed higher. Now 1.2101 area should start acting as a support for the price, at least on the 4 hour the breakout has happened. So 1.2271 is the next level of resistance. 1.2101 should be acting as a support in the coming time. The Australian dollar also, there's a bullish pin bar with a high volume, but yes, whenever the price rises from here, this horizontal level of 0.6356 should act as a resistance. If it doesn't, then the next level of resistance is 0.6521 in the dollar yen. Yesterday a breakdown from here, this low, this is a hangman, and this has been taken out. So now the price has made a lower low, so expect some lower high to be formed and even a lower low than 147.27 to be formed in this market. On the daily, there is no much clarity, but on 4 hour, you can see that there is a beautiful clarity. The price was making higher highs and higher lows. This candle broke this low, so now this area is acting as a resistance, and that exactly is what is happening around here. So now, what is the resistance, guys? 150.15 is the resistance. What is the support? 147.27 is the support. That's it. Till the time the price is trading between these two levels, it is just consolidation before the next leg. US dollar against the Canadian, 1.3738 is where the price is trading right now today, and yesterday it has taken the support at 1.3694. That was a very critical level. 1.3694 was an area. Open the buy position. In fact, somebody has already taken, I think, buy positions here when the price came here. This was a very good area. It was the key area actually because of this channel and also the horizontal level from where the price was passing. So after breakout, this started acting as a support, and this was obvious that the price is going upward from here. But to what extent can it go, that we need to find out. The upside resistance now is resting around 1.3804, whereas the support can be seen around 1.3694 to 1.3669 area. Guys, PST CHF, I am a seller in this market right now, although uh, the market structure is suggesting to buy this market, but the resistance at this area of 0.92222 is so robust that the price failed to go and close higher than that yesterday, and a lot of selling happened there. I'm expecting the price to go below 0.9090 to give us another selling opportunity, like this. This is what I'm expecting in this market. But if some reason the price stays above this, then there's a possibility of price breaking higher than 0.9222. But this is not the only thing. There is a long term falling channel here, which I am expecting the price to cave. If the price rises from here, we can expect the price to reach this falling channel's resistance area right now. But 0.9222 is the resistance and 0.9090 is the support. Silver, we are expecting lower prices. 19.88 is what I'm targeting here, but the resistance being 21.39, that is exactly where the price found resistance. 21.39 exactly. Okay, zero point 0.3 pips is okay. So now 19.88 is the target for the silver, and upside resistance is 21.39. That's it. For the gold, we have a target of 1804. On the upside, resistance is 1858. Nothing much in this one. You can remove actually these things so that you have a clarity of the price, what is going to happen next. And you can remove this one, right? So this is the next level. Below 1804, I have not drawn much levels, but these this low, this low, no, this low and this low I would be targeting. I am getting it right now on your screen. These two lows I will be targeting, that is 728, 766. Below 1804 I will be targeting that. Brent crude finally has given up, so it cannot sustain higher than 89.28. That means 85.82 is exposed now in this one, and below 85.82 I think 81.71 will also be exposed if the price starts trading below 85.82. But I think before it goes further from here, it should rise a bit before going further to test this level broken as the special resistance or the fresh resistance before it goes further south. This is what I am expecting. If you have any further opinion, or if any a different opinion than me, you can let me know. But this looks like a classic breakdown of a channel, and the price closing below a crucial support That means it will start now acting as a crucial resistance. Okay, that in mind, you can open your position based on what happens when the price comes to this area. So you judge yourself what is the price doing when it's coming back to 89. It is very difficult for the price to go higher than that, then that may be your opportunity to short in this market with the lower targets, very low targets. Bitcoin found the resistance, started consolidating and doing nothing after that. So stay away from this market. Same is what Ethereum is doing. Yesterday's candle, today's candle is well within the yesterday's candle. That means inside bar, and nothing is happening on that. So stay away from this market also. Euro against the Australian dollar has entered the zone of resistance. This is a crucial resistance. Okay, I am removing all this just to show you something. See that this is a confluence of two resistances. One resistance being provided by this horizontal level. This is not just a horizontal level, guys. Keep an eye. Okay, I am telling you this level has been a very crucial level in the past, and also there is a falling channel. There are multiple checks or tests on this channel. So when the price comes and tests this here again, and if it gives a closing below, or if it gives a closing inside this 1.6651 or inside this channel, then you should be ready with your selling orders, right, with the target of minimum 1.6319 or at least this rising channel's support area. The euro audi in my opinion right now is a sell, but if it starts trading above 1.6651 yen, then you can become a buyer in this. Otherwise it is a selling market. Okay, with the resistance at 1.6651 and with the support around 1.6319. Audi New Zealand is a sell in the long run. Till yesterday, it was selling off beautifully, and yesterday finally, okay, I don't know when it happened, but yes, it made a bullish pin bar and bullish engulfing, not engulfing, but bullish pin bar, which has pushed the price right into the zone of resistance. 1.0718 was the resistance. Now we are expecting lower prices. 1.0559 in this market is what is expected. GBP against the Australian dollar. In the longer run, we were sellers here, but you see the price found the resist support around 1.8856 and is now headed higher. Why I'm saying it is headed higher, because this is the daily chart and the market structure has just now broken. See, the price started making lower highs and lower lows here. Okay, then finally the price has made a higher high. See that, and now this is acting as a support. If I switch it to 4 hour, you will be able to better understand this. See, this is what has happened here. Here the price closed higher than this distance. Thereafter, this started acting as a support, and now it is making higher high, higher low, higher high. So 1.9285 is now the resistance in my opinion, and 1.9129 should start acting as a support if the price comes down to this level. US 30, we have lower levels in open now. 32634 is, I think, where the price is headed to. This is the support. Okay, and resistance is much higher, 33902. So if you ask me that should I sell this market, I think the selling opportunity has already gone, so stay away from this. But yes, if the price goes beyond 32634 and gives a closing below this, then you can look for a selling opportunity. Not 32634, 32577 is the support actually. Below 32577, you should be looking for a selling market with a target of 31427. Right now, if you get an opportunity to short sell this market again at this low, which I should be marking on my chart, around 33302, you can get another opportunity to sell this market. Otherwise, there is no opportunity. CAT CHF went here. We thought that it will make another handle and give us a breakout, but no. The people shorted their positions over here. I think 0.6617 may offer some buyers a buying opportunity. Otherwise, if it does not give us any buying opportunity, then the price may even go below 0.6453. Okay, right now for us resistance is 0.6749, which is horizontal level of resistance. Support is 0.6617. GBP CAD. Longer term, we were selling this market, but yesterday something has happened. The price has started making higher highs and higher lows, and the area which we were looking at as a very good resistance, which was holding till now. Yesterday the price went through this. Now if the price comes back to this area, then it should be seen as an area of opportunity to go long the direction like that. This is what is expected, right? So this is what is now expected in this market, guys. Here's a tag just like the other one is okay. No, okay, here also some recovery is there. USA Tech has recovered more. 14905 is the resistance. The price has not made lower low than this one, so that means this one is okay. So can you see that there is a divergence? This market has made a lower low than this one, but the USA Tech has not made lower low. That means US Tech is performing good. So there is a high probability that the with a small rise, price can go beyond 14,905 and go even further to 15,138. So let's see how the things unfold in the future. But right now support is 14,428 and resistance is 14,905. Audi JPY. Very good down move, but a lot of buying at the lower prices. Now I'm expecting 94.99 or 95 level to act as a crucial resistance from where we can get a selling opportunity to short this market with a target of 90.25. Euro GBP, nothing is happening. Stay away from this market. GBP JPY, there was I think a lot of sell off here, and now the price has reached the area of resistance. You can look for selling opportunities here actually. Okay, you can look for the selling opportunities here. I think some people are already selling this market, but the targets now cannot be lower than this 178.02. Once the price trades below that, then we can look for 176.42 as the fresh buying opportunity. That's all. That's all from my side. If you have any different views than me, you can tell me in the chat box. If you have any doubts, I'll very happy to clear your doubts if you have any. All right, guys, as I see that there are no doubts and no questions being asked, thank you, Techno Invest Forex, for staying with us. I hope you know about the support and resistance levels that are of interest in the coming days and hours. My request to you will be that please keep in mind to only risk less than 1% of your entire capital on any single trade. And you should look for a potential profit of more than 3 times the risk that you're going to take. With this note, I shall end this live stream. Please press the like button if you find this webinar useful for you. You can also leave your suggestions in the comment section after the video is reproduced, and consider subscribing to the channel for more such webinars. Have a good day. Thank you very much for your time. Bye bye. Take care.